Welcome everyone. Namaste. This is Ashwin. Welcome to Yogic Prana YouTube channel. So today we will learn a very powerful yoga mudra for boosting immunity and vitality naturally. So what are yoga mudras? Yoga mudras are hand gestures. You might have seen the most popular one, like the Buddha. He's holding where his index finger and the thumb are touching each other and rest of the fingers straight. So this popular yoga mudra is known as Jnana mudra or meditation mudra, knowledge mudra. Similarly, there is a magical mudra for the physical and mental health. It's called Prana mudra. Prana meaning life force. So here the tip of the thumb, tip of the thumb, tip of the small finger, tip of the ring finger, okay, are touching each other gently, and the index and the middle finger are straight. So this is how the mudra is formed, okay, and you place this facing up on your knees whenever you practice, okay. So this is how Prana mudra is practiced, okay. So a little bit about mudras, brief background according to yoga. So there are 5 elements, correct? We have fire, air, sky, earth and water. And in yoga, they are represented in the fingers. For example, the thumb represents the fire element, the index finger represents the air element, the middle finger represents the sky element, the ring finger represents the earth element, and the pinky finger, the small finger, represents the water elements. So when these hand gestures, these fingers touch each other in a certain fashion, they regulate the bioenergy, bioelectricity, and it sends signals to your brain, which in turn also sends signals to your body, and this is how yoga mudras work. And in case of Prana mudra, so when to do Prana mudra? Prana mudra can be done anytime during the day. Very good. I mean, it's good to practice if you do it in the morning, early morning. I usually do it like say 5:30 to 6 a.m. in the morning. So ideally speaking, 20 to 30 minutes is good. But in the beginning, if you are not used to Prana mudra, then at least try to practice in this posture for at least 15 minutes in one sitting. So the posture is, you can sit in the ideal posture is sitting in the cross-legged easy pose, Sukhasana, where your spine is erect, head straight, eyes closed, and you form Prana mudra in both the hands and palms facing up on your knees. So this is the ideal posture. However, you can practice Prana mudra sitting on your sofa, making sure your spine is erect, head straight. You can practice if you are, as long as you are not using your hands, you can practice this mudra. You could be watching television, or you could be talking with your, discussing with your family members, friends, that's fine. As long as your hands are free, you can practice Prana Mudra. You can practice Prana Mudra lying down as well, palms facing up. Okay, lying down also you can practice Prana Mudra. However, it's good to practice before evening, because one do not need usually vitality energy after evening, correct? Because very soon, in a few hours, we will be going to our bed to sleep, to lie down. However, like I said, Prana Mudra can be practiced anytime. So you can practice sitting in the easy pose, sitting cross-legged on your sofa, in your chair, office chair, okay, and lying down. And what's the duration? At least 15 minutes in one sitting. You could do 3 sittings of 15 minutes or 2 sittings of 15 minutes. I usually practice 30 minutes of one sitting in the morning, 5:30 to 6 a.m. So that has worked out really well for me. So I am sharing this information directly from my personal experience. So this mudra is my favorite mudra. It has helped me a lot, especially in boosting the immune system. So after I started practicing Prana Mudra, I rarely get sick due to this common cold, virus, etc. Why I thought of making this video, especially in these times, is having a good immune system is really helpful with this different virus around us. So boosting immune system is one. Naturally, you are boosting your immune system. 2, it also provides, Prana Mudra also provides you with instant energy. It helps you increase your vitality. I have experienced it myself direct. So whenever you feel you are tired, fatigued, just practice Prana Mudra for 20 minutes and you will immediately notice the change. Okay, 30 minutes would be really good. And what are other benefits? According to literature around Prana Mudra, because it's a life force mudra, it's beneficial for numerous bodily elements. Also good for people suffering with anxiety, mental issues, nervousness, because it makes you strong. People, if you are on fasting, they can also practice, because it provides you energy naturally. So during fasting, you usually either don't eat food or you are just on water or on fruits, right? So you need, if you feel you are having low energy, then you can practice Prana Mudra. So everyone, I would advise, take the advantage of this knowledge of Prana Mudra, Yoga Mudras, okay, which will help you boost your vitality and immunity naturally. If you have any questions regarding Prana Mudra or any other mudra, or if you think it's not working for you, feel free to reach out to me at yogicprana@gmail.com. My YouTube channel, website and the email information are provided in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Thank you everyone.